Hello everyone, today inshallah we're going to talk about some questions from National Center for Assessment qiyas. The first problem here, find the product of 1 over 2 divide third times third divide sixth times 1 over third. First of all, we can multiply the numerator 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. When we multiply fraction, we multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. 1 times 1 over 6. So the product here is going to be 1 over 6. We can simplify 1 over 6 with this 1, the denominator. So the numerator here is going to be 1 over third multiply third. It's going to be 1 over 9. How to divide 1 divide 9? Keep it change flip. We keep 1 and convert divide to multiply and flip. Find the reciprocal of 9. 1 over 9 is going to be 9 over 1. So the answer here, it will be 9. Second question, two cars started a journey on the same route, okay? On the same road from opposite starting point. Opposite starting point. Here, the first car and here the second car. The first car is 120 kilometer per hour and second one, its speed 60 kilometer per hour, okay? So, for example, if the first car take all of this distance in 1 hour, second car will take it in 2 hours. Why? Because its speed is half the first one. And he told me here if the first car take 9 hours to cover half distance. Okay, take 9 hours to cover half distance. So how long will it take the second car? So you can deduce that second car will cover the same distance in 18 hours. How? 9 multiplied 2. 9 multiplied 2 equal 18. Okay. As I told you here, if the first car takes this distance in 1 hour, the second will take in 2 hours. Because its speed is half the first one. In the triangle, what is the value of A plus B? Ask me to find the value of A plus B. Okay. I have many solutions to find the answer of A plus B. First of all, this right triangle. So measure of this angle and this one, the other two angle is 90 degree. Okay, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal 90 degree. All of this angle is 180 because it's a straight angle. And the straight angle, measure of straight angle equal 180. Okay, the other angle here 180. So to find A plus B equal 180 plus 180 equal 360 minus angle 1 plus angle 2 minus angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 and 2 equal 90 degree. So 360 minus 90 degree equal 270. So it's going to be 270. Another way we can assume this angle, for example, is 45 and this 45. We can assume this 30 and this 60. Okay, their sum is 90. So this angle here 30 is a straight angle, so it's going to be 150. This angle is 60, so this angle is 120. Find their sum, 150 plus 120, it's going to be 270. You can assume this angle 10 and this angle 80, this angle 20 and this angle 70. Okay, must be their sum 90 degree. They are complementary angle. Okay. Number 4, find the product 4.03% of 0.03% of 1000. Okay, to find this product 0.03% mean 0.03 over 100. You have to move the decimal point for 2 digits, so it's going to be 0.003. Okay, so here it's going to be 0.003 multiply the same here multiply 1000. Okay, you can consider this letter of The pronoun mean multiplication. Okay, the operation here multiplication. When you multiply decimal by multiple of 10, you have to move decimal, okay, to the right. Move to the right. How many digit here? It's gonna be 3. So 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be 0.3, 3 times. Multiply 0.0003. 3 multiply 3 equal 9. When you multiply, you have to add decimal. Decimal here before 4 digit, okay, 4 decimal place, and here 1, so it's gonna be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gonna be letter A. So the correct answer here, letter A. Okay, you have to know when you multiply by multiple of 10, move the decimal to the right. And when you divide, move to the left. Okay. Here number 5. 27 to the power of x equal 9 to the power x plus 3. How to solve this equation? We try to make them the same base. Here 9 equal 3 to the power 2, and the 27 equal 3 to the power 3. Okay, so here 27, so it's going to be 3 to the power 3 to the power x equal 3 to the power 2 to the power x plus 3. Here power is to power, we multiply power. Exponent multiply exponent. It's going to be 3 to the power 3x. 3 multiply x. And here 3 to the power 2 multiply x, 2x. And you have to multiply also 2 multiply 3. Don't forget this. Don't multiply only 2 times x and forget 3. You have to multiply, you have to distribute, okay, 2x plus 6. Here base equal base. Okay, so here exponent equal exponent. So 3x equal 2x plus 6. Solve this equation. So it's gonna be 3x minus 2x equal 6. So x equal 6. Okay, so x equal 6. You can solve also by trying choices. Number 6. When a number is divided by 9 and the remainder is 6, what's the remainder when 6 times this number is divided by 9? When number divided by 9 and the remainder is 6, you can use this number 15. 15 divide 9 equal 1, and the remainder here 6. Okay, what's this the remainder when 6 times this number? So it's going to be 6 times this number 15. It's divided by 9. 6 times 15, 6 times 5, 30. You're in the group, so it's going to be 90 over 9 equal 10. And the remainder here is 0. So the remainder here, when you find 6 times this number, it's going to be 0. Okay. Number 7. The width of a triangle, if rectangle, ABCD is equal to 1/3 of its length. Okay, this width, okay, 1/3 of its length. Okay, for example, here, if this x, so this side DC, it's gonna be 3x. Okay, and the perimeter here is 64. Perimeter is 64. So here, length plus width equal half perimeter. So length plus width, half perimeter, perimeter equals 64. So 64 divided by 2, it's going to be 32. And here, this width, it's going to be x and length 3x equal 32. So here 4x equal 32. So x equal 8. Divide by 4, so x equal 8. So this width equals 8. Okay. And this length, it's going to be 3 times 8, 24. So 24 plus 8, it's going to be 32. And all the perimeter is going to be 64. What's the area of shaded part? He asked me to find the area of shaded part. Okay, we can multiply 8 times 24 and find half, because this shaded part is half a rectangle. Half a rectangle. The shaded part, okay, is half rectangle. So half times 8 times 24. half times 8 is 4. 4 times 24, it's 96. So the answer here is 96. I have another way you can find the answer of this triangle. Here 8 also. Area of triangle equal half base times the height. So here half base, half times 8 times 8. Half 8 equal 4 equal 32. This triangle is 32. And here also we double. Okay, we double with twice this triangle because we double base. Okay, so it's gonna be half 16 times 8. Half 16 times 8, so it's gonna be 64. 64 plus 32 equal 96. Equal 96, the same answer. You have many ways to find the solution of any question. Okay, next problem. A man starts a journey from A by driving directly south for 30 kilometers. Okay, from A down to D, 30 kilometers, and east for 40 kilometers, and then finally direct north for 60 kilometers. What's the shortest distance between the start point and the end point? This end point. I mean here B, not D. Okay, the end point here B. How to find this distance between start and end point? Okay, we can connect this point like this. Here we make right triangle. Okay, right angle this 40, so it's gonna be 40. Here this side ED is 30, so this 30. So here all of this 60, so this side also equal 30. We have right triangle, we can apply Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem, okay? So here AB, how to find distance? It's gonna be 30 square plus 40 square, okay? Square root of 30 square plus 40 square, so it's gonna be 900 plus 1600, it's gonna be 2500. So here AB equal 50. We know this famous Pythagorean triangle 3 4 5, the same 30 40 50. Okay, so the shortest distance between a starting point and the end point here, it's gonna be 50. Number 9, if y equal x minus m divide by f plus m, which of the following is correct? Here we can make cross multiplications, denominator is 1, so here x minus m times 1 equal x minus m, and here y times f plus m, product of means equal product of extremes. Okay, so here x minus m equal multiply y times f, y f plus y times m distributed, y m distribute m to this quantity. Okay, so here I want to find value of m, so here combine m together, so it's going to be here m ym, and here negative m. Okay, it would be at the right side, on the right side positive m, and here x, this yf. Okay, from here to the right, the left hand side, it would be negative yf, negative yf. Okay, factor out here, common factor out m. Okay, common factor m, so it's going to be y plus 1 equal x minus yf. Then divide both sides by y plus 1 to isolate m in one side. So it's going to be here m equal x minus yf over y plus 1. So it's going to be letter, the correct answer here is letter B. Okay, multiply, make product of extreme times product of extreme and find the value of m. You have to isolate m. It's based on solving equation. Okay, Ahmed has 4 riyal. Okay, less than double the amount of Walid has. Let Ahmed A and Walid W and Ali here Y. Okay, Ahmed has 4 riyal, then than double amount of Walid. So Ahmed A equal 4 ريال less than double amount Walid, يبقى 2W minus 4. 4 ريال less than twice Walid has. Okay, or double Walid has. Okay, and here Ali is 1/3 Ahmed. Ali is third Ahmed. Okay. If the three of them have 134 riyal, Ahmed plus Walid plus Ali equal 134 riyal. How much does Ali have? How much does Ali have? Can we try choosing this problem? Let me try 20. If Ali has 20, so Ahmed has 3 times 20 because Ali is third Ahmed. So Ahmed is 3 times Ali. 3 times 20, it's going to be 60. Okay, Ali is 20, so Ahmed is 60. And here, how to find Walid? We increase, okay, the amount of money with Ahmed plus 4, okay, and then divide by 2. W equal A plus 4, Walid equal A plus 4, divide by 2. Okay, so Ahmed here is 60. 60 plus 4, 64. Divide 2, 64 divide 2, it's going to be 32. When you find sum, so it's going to be 112. And I want the total is 134. Let me try 24. 24 is close to the answer. 24, if Ali has 24, this Ali. So Ahmed is 3 times what Ali has. Okay, 3 times 24, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 2 6, and 1 72. Okay, and here Walid is equal Ahmed plus 4 divide 2. 72 plus 4 is going to be 76. Divide by 2, 7 divide 2 3, and you remember 116 divide 2 8, so it's going to be 38 that Walid has. Okay, Walid has 38 riyal. Find sum. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 8 14, 1 plus 2 3 plus 7 10, and 3 is 13, so it's going to be 134 riyal. Okay, so here what Ali have, how much does Ali have? It's going to be 24 riyal. You can find another way to find solution. I found it by try. Okay, by try choices. Okay, what's the area of circle whose perimeter bulk through the point -4 and 3? Here -1, -2, -3, -4, and 3. Here -4 and 3. So how to find, okay, how to find the area of this circle that pass through the point -4 and 3? Okay, first of all you have to find the distance between -4 and 3 and the origin point 0, 0. To find, you have to follow the rule square root x2 minus x1 square, this distance between 2 points, plus y2 minus y1 square. So it's going to be 16 plus 9, it's going to be 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So here distance mean radius here. Radius equal 5. Okay, how to find the area? Area of circle equal pi r square, and here r equal 5, so 5 squared is going to be 25 pi. So the answer here 25 pi. Okay, you have to know the distance, rule of distance between 2 points. Okay, the price of TV is increased by 300%, and the price of TV in 1970, okay, increased by 300% in 1980, and the price of the 1980 model TV increased by 200%. Okay, let the price of this TV is $100, for example. Okay, in 1980, it's increased by 300%. So if the price in 1970 100, so it's gonna be in 1980, so it will be 300%, increase by 300%. So here 300% times 100, it's gonna be 300. $300 plus $100, so the price will be 400, not 300. Okay, not be 300. The price increased by 300%. If the price 100 increased by 100, so it's gonna be 200. Increase again by 100, so it's gonna be 300. It's gonna be $400. Okay, $400. Okay, and in 1990, the price increased by 200. How to find 200 or 400? It's gonna be 800. Okay, 800. So here 800 plus 400. Okay, we find 200% of 400. 200% of 400 equal $800. Okay, this percent. 800 plus 400, so it's gonna be $1,200. Okay, so here what percentage did the price increase from 1970 to 1990? See the difference. Okay, see the difference or the amount increase. The amount increase here is 100, 1,200 minus 100. Okay, divide by the original price 100, multiply by 100%. So it's gonna be 1,200 minus 100. It's gonna be 1,100%. So here percentage did the price increase. It's gonna be 1,100%. Okay, you have to know that percentage increase. Okay, or increase percentage equal the amount of increase divided by the original amount multiplied by 100, all of this percent. Okay, multiplied by 100%. Okay, so here the change of amount of money, it was 100 in 1970 and increased to 1,200. So the amount of increase here is going to be 1,100. Okay, divide by 100, multiply by 100, so it's going to be 1,100%. Here the average of 7 number is 12. The average or mean, arithmetic mean. So to find sum, okay, average equal sum of value divide number of value. So to find sum, we multiply average by number of value. Okay, by number of value equal average multiply number of value. So here average equal the average of 7 number I have is 12. So the average is 12 and I have 7 number. 7 times 12 equal 84. Equal 84. The sum of 7 numbers. The first 3 and the average of 3 of them is negative 11. The average of 3 of them is negative 11. So the sum of 3 of them equal 3 times negative 11. It's going to be negative 33. The sum of 3 number. Sum of 3 number equal negative 33. How to find the sum of other 4 number? I have here the total sum of 7 number 84. Okay, and I have sum of 3 number is negative 33. Negative 33 plus sum of 4 number. Here sum of 4 number equal 84 the total. So how to find sum of 4 number? Here you have to add 33 to both sides. So it's going to be 84 plus 33. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 8, 11. So it's going to be 111. Sum of 4 number. Because when you add 117 plus negative 33, it's going to be 84. And 84 is the sum of all 7 numbers. Okay. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.